Good morning, it is day 2 filming A Taste of the Lakes. The sun is out again. We're up for a really good day. Now I've got my guest on their way and we're going to go up the mountains. So we're going on to Walla Crag, which is a beautiful walk. Amazing views of Derwentwater and Keswick and all that area. Catbells, you name it, some beautiful mountains. Got to get to the top and I'm going to cook an amazing recipe for my guest when they get there. And I'm going to use my Primus equipment. So I've got a really cool little camping hob. Used this one yesterday, had a fantastic day. Got out there, saw some beautiful views, cooked some delicious food. Cannot wait to get started.